All right, here we are to do the last final coat. So I'm going to pull my tape. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Oh, getting tired. I think it's almost 10 p.m. Been tiling my bathroom. Finally decided to do a Hong Kong luxury bathroom out here to remind me of home, quote unquote. You should have seen what the bathroom looked like to start though. Crazy. Anyway, let's do some wiping with acetone. Oh, did I lose it? No, I didn't lose it. Thank fucking God. Oh, I just swore. Bad word. Oopsies. Yeah, it's late. Okay. That's all wiped and clean. Garbage. Chris, remember. Okay, now I'm gonna tape. Okay. Sometimes what I like to do is tape the sides first because you can feel the edge of where the side masking was. And then you just follow that line. Oh, I kind of fix that. There we go. Okay. And then on this side, yeah, looks like I went right over there. And I'm going to put this, I can see my line is further up, but what I'm gonna do is actually make it a little bit lower to give me more sanding space to get around soft rail like this. And I'll take this all the way. There we are. Clean number 2. Got to build my paper towel hanger. Finally doing my fiberglass, my cloth hanger. Right, so I made this and standing it up nice. There we go. All right, now let's do some mixing. Oh, clean the brush. Highly important. Because look at all that crap that comes off. Oh my God. See? Now we can mix up some resin. Again, oh, where's my scale? Oh yeah, I was using it to mix up grout for the tiles. It's over there. And the super chop saw, bitch. Watch out for all the crap. Since I'm doing the reno in the cabin, I got all this crap everywhere right now. Delayed or took time off of the workshop to work on the cabin. I had executive orders to get back on that. Okay. There we are. Let's grab our tear. Boom. 20. It's going to be a bit more than 20. Oh, no, I'm close. 17. We'll just call it that. 17. Drywall is so useful. Come on. Come on. Hello? Hello? There we go. Is that still good? That's still good. So I said 17, right? Yes, 17. So that's like 8.5, 9. We'll just call it 9. 6. 7. Oh, a bit more. 9. Parfait. Hey, Google, set a timer for 2 minutes.
Sure, 2 minutes, and we're starting
And we'll do our mix.
Mix.
Cancel timer. All right, let's get this show on the road. And I should be okay. Ooh, there we are. Whoa. Yeah, I'm all right. So, left to right, bottom to top, right to left, pour again, and then get all that crap off. And that's all she wrote. So tomorrow I can sand this and start painting it. Get rid of that and pour this out. Perfect. There we have it.